Hi everyone, welcome to Pabbly Automate November Challenge. I believe everybody is excited about a new video. So here I am with a new use case. Today I'm going to show you how you can send personalized message or email based on the weather outside. It can be used in different ways. It can have different use cases. But I'm showing a very simple use case at the moment. Obviously, you can customize the workflow as per your requirement. So the way I have started, it is starting with the action called schedule, where it runs every day at 7 a.m. in the local time zone. And then I have a customer list in a Google Sheet. And again, it can be a Google Sheet or MySQL in your case. So I fetch all the customers in my list. So this is the Google Sheet. I'll be how the Google Sheet looks. So there I have all these columns, first name, last name, zip code, country, phone number of the user. And similarly, what I do, I fetch the customer's details from here. But take a note of this time instead of turning this on, by default it remains on, but now I have disabled the simple response. That's why I'm getting the result in an array. And then in the third step, I'm using the iterator. The reason I'm using an iterator is that so that whenever the first row, the first customer is executed, the next customer, the next row will get executed. And in such way, all the customers will be receiving this message. And then in the fourth row, I'm using a custom API from OpenWeatherMap. And OpenWeatherMap is actually having a freemium model. So if you go to openweathermap.org, you can create your free API. It allows 1,000 call per day, which is a pretty good limit according to me. Because if you can have 1,000 calls per day, that is quite good. Even above that, if you need more than that, you can always subscribe to their plans. They have a paper use model, which is again very low amount of low price basically. Right. So I have basically created one account here, and once you create the account, then once you create your account, then you simply need to go to your account settings and go to my API keys, and from here you copy your API key, and you need to enter the API key at end of this. And rest what I'm doing, I'm pasting the zip code from the second step, from this from the third step here. And then I'm also fetching the country. Now country always needs to be in the 2-digit code. You can again find a list of the countries available here from their API documentation. They have all the countries, but you can find a code of the countries from this documentation. For US it's US, for UK it's UK, for India it's IN. So you can get a complete list from this API document here. See where here you get a list. Yep, see here you get a list. So you get to know which code to use for which country. And then I am simply getting the response here, which says what is the weather type there, cloudy, rainy, um, days, etc. And also followed by the temperature, humidity, etc. And now after this step, I'm using ChatGPT to write a personalized message. I have given this prompt to ChatGPT to write a personalized message for the specific customer depending on the weather outside. And the ChatGPT gives me an output like this. Good morning, Sagar. Today sky has an enchanting dance of clouds because it's a cloudy weather. If it was a rainy weather, then it would give me some different message. Now, this part I'm using for writing a good morning message or morning greetings, but you can utilize it for something else as well. Maybe you can write a promotional message. Hey, it's raining outside. Time to order some biryani. Hey, it's really hot outside. Time to order some ice cream. Just like Swiggy does many times, Swiggy or Zomato often send you this kind of messages depending on the weather outside. So you can also utilize this workflow for something like that, just a thought. But yeah, at the moment I have made it quite simple, and I have made it a morning greeting message. And finally, I'm using the WhatsApp Cloud API, and again, I'm getting the phone number from the previous Google State result, and then I'm fetching this message generated by ChatGPT, and then I'm sending the message to the customer. And in this way, all the customers who are there in my list, one by one, everyone will get this message. Again, instead of sending it on WhatsApp, you can maybe send it over email, or you can send it over any other channel. So it works with everything, but this is just a common use case that how I'm using it in combination of the OpenWeather API and ChatGPT and WhatsApp Cloud API. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I have shared the workflow link in the description of the video. You can clone this workflow and use it. And thanks for using Pabbly. It's a lovely product.